This is the continuation, so we are just where we are. So one thing you want to make sure, pull this your design up and then start work. When you place it here like I'm doing right now, you copy. Anytime you copy, it becomes double. You copy again, and then you just keep placing it down part. Somebody would think is the person is inside the the color, okay, but that's because of the hack that we just did. Let me tell you, nobody actually taught me this. My mentor taught me just the features, and I had to. This particular one is a hack. You can discover your own hack. This particular one was a hack. So you keep copying, keep copying, you keep copying. What you've copied before, you copy again. You keep copying. This one is where you use creativity, my dear, my darlings. Creativity is good. You keep copying. Copy again. Copy again. Sorry. You copy again. Remember, this particular one is used for what? Undo. Remember, I said when I was teaching you the features, it does not have redo. Okay. You copy again. So I'm going to do something else now. I'm okay with this, but there's a way it's showing, so I'm going to do something else now. I'm going to bring up another shape, which is this, and I'm going to reduce like this. Okay, and I'm going to make a shadow just like I did the other one and offset the shadow. Okay, but I'll keep the shadow this, and I'll blur it. And I make it transparent again. So good. I okay it. I do the same thing I did before. Bring in a shape like this. Okay it. Merge it together and erase color. I erase color. So this here, do you notice what I'm doing? I copy it. That's to duplicate. Let me make this thing more transparent. Okay. So basically you have to use your brain. Okay, so I'm okay now. All right, I'm okay for now. I'm just teaching. Then I do something. I bring this test to front. Did you see that? Then there's something else we need to do. We need to put in our tests, harmony n. So how do I get that test again? I save this one once again, save changes. I go back to my projects. Okay, not this one. Go back to my projects. I click on harmony n. I click on test A, and I click on styles. I click on save as new style. It's already there. Then I come back to my current project, which is the last one, tutorial. It opens. Okay, so I click on this. Okay, I click on A, test. Once you click on edit, okay, sorry, cancel. Click on test, and I click on harmony n, and I write harmony n. Then I click on my styles, I click on browse, I click on my styles and sample. It has already given it to me. So you see what we have here. You see what we have here. The next thing is our, bring this one front. Always try and bring it front. The next thing is adding the this particular, remember these icons, now I'm going to add it, and then add this writing right here, produced by ezone, beat by emperor. Okay, so cancel. So delete those. Do not use too much font, more than 3 fonts in a particular, except if you are designing something like a big banner. But too much font messes up your design. Okay, so I kind of copy this font. This is the font I used, but this is the color that I used on it. Then I change it, produced by ezone, beat by emperor. Then that is it. Then I reduce the size. There's another thing you should note. Please look at the spacing, line spacing. Look at this spacing, what it does. Then look at the line spacing, what the line spacing does. Do you understand? So then I change the color. I change the color to this. Is that the color? Okay, instead of that, what I'll do is this. I delete. Okay, I copy it. I delete it. I come here. I duplicate this one, and then I just paste. Then I go to my font. When you go to font, you go to recent font. This is the font. Then I go to my size. When you see the font you use, you will know. You go to my size. Now you see that I need to work on the spacing. I come to my line spacing and I separate it. And I reduce it the more. Come to my size. I reduce it. I come to my spacing. I still reduce the spacing. Did you see that? Okay, I come to my alignment. Good. This is how I want it to appear. Remember the one that we are working with. Where did it go? Okay, I've deleted it. Okay, so this is it. You can use the one you are working with too. You see, I've already produced what we had before. Is it simple? Is it hard? I want you to try yours. I want you to try this app and see if you can be. Do you know that instead of paying someone now to do this for me, I've done it by myself and no one knows it was not someone. It's so sweet. And please, if you want to produce something like this, try and be using pictures that you snapped on studio. I can use this picture, made it come out very well because it was snapped in a studio. Okay, or very nice pictures. That's what you need to be using. Can you do something like this for me? Can you do something like this right now that you have learned about the Pixel Lab? I want you to do something with it. Thanks for watching.